Oh, hello mga friend. Libang-libang tayo again habang gabi. Yeah, eto. Subukan natin ito. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga gustong makinig. Isa sa paborito kong kanta. Yeah. I'm still uncertain, alone, of a way for someone who like me, as me, to love with, to cry with, to be just beside me. I pray that you to finally make up with to know that you need them. Believe me, that baby to walk hand in hand with you and you to love me. I pray that I need. And even though I make mistakes and never do anything right, a smile can change all that, and everything will be alright. Someone who shares all my dreams and ambitions, someone who loves me as me. I need a special someone who I pray that you are here. I pray that you are me. Woo! Hello, friend. Hello. Basta. Tabus.